Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I am standing in front of my used car pick of the week, the 2015 Kia Optima. Now this vehicle has never been in an accident and only has 31,000 miles on it, which is actually 14,500 miles below market average. Now this vehicle is a 4-cylinder vehicle, and it does come with 18-inch alloy wheels and a great 35 miles per gallon on the highway. Now when we get in, we can see that we do have an infinity speaker system, our standard cruise control, and even a touch display. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.